Hey there and welcome to module 3.8 roundup and action points. And that's right, we are already finished with this module right here, module 3, and let's recap the module goal again. So at the end of this module, you integrated your autoresponder with Clever Messenger, plus you created lead gen flows that will be responsible for sending email addresses over to your integrated autoresponder via Messenger. Now in this module we had 8 videos, of course leading in with the first video what you could expect from this module. Then in the second video we talked a little bit more about a lead magnet. I actually told you what a lead magnet is, what it's being used for, I gave you a couple of examples and so on. Then in the third video we talked about integrating your autoresponder, and I've shown you in video 6 and 7 how you can integrate your autoresponder through Zapier, Integromat or webhooks. Then in video 4 and 5 I showed you how to create those flows, an ask for email address flow and a lead magnet delivery flow. Which brings me to this video, roundup and actions, and these action points you can see in front of you right now. These are the action points you need to complete in order to attain the module goal. So the first one is identify and creating your lead magnet. Then integrating your autoresponder either natively through Zapier or Integromat or the webhook approach. Then create an ask for email address flow, and finally, but certainly not least, create a lead magnet delivery flow as well and tie those together. Now, if you complete these action points, you will automatically attain the module goal. It's very, very important that you do this. Without this, you cannot actually move to the next modules. Everything from the modules hereafter is based on these flows you will create right here. Now, with that said, I'm gonna wish you a lot of luck, a lot of fun in setting all of this up. If you've got any questions or any remarks or whatsoever, then do send a message to support and we're more than happy to help you out. Thank you, and I will see you in the next module.